Translate each of the following sentences into an equation, solve the equation, check the answer. 3 times a number added to 14 is equal to 35. So let's say that our number is x. So we'll say let x represent a number. 3 times a number added to 14. So we're adding the 3x to the 14. And that's supposed to be equal to 35. So there's our equation that models the problem. Now to solve the equation, we first notice that we have a variable term 3x. So let's isolate the variable term. I will subtract 14 from both sides, yielding 3x is equal to 21. And now to isolate the variable, I will divide both sides by 3, and x is equal to 7. Let's run a quick check. Is 14 plus 3 times 7 equal to 35? Well, following the order of operations, that would be 14 plus 21, and 14 plus 21 is 35, which is equal to 35. So that checks out, and so we can be confident in our solution of the equation, and so we would say the number is 7. 6 times the difference of a number and 20 is 54. So again, let's say that x is the number. Six times the difference. So we've seen that situation before. We have 6, and we're multiplying the 6 by a quantity since we have a difference. 6 multiplied by a difference of a number and 20. Number and 20 is, so equals, 54. Let's simplify the left-hand side of the equation by applying the distributive property. 6x minus 120 is equal to 54. Identify the variable term. To isolate the variable term, we will add 120 to both sides of the equation. So that yields 6x is equal to 174. And then dividing both sides by 6 to isolate the variable, we find that x is 29. Let's check our solution. 6 times 29 subtract 20. Is this equal to 54? Following the order of operations, 29 subtract 20 is 9, and 6 by 9 is 54, which is equal to 54. That checks out, and so the number is 29. The perimeter of a triangle is 13 meters, and the lengths of two sides of the triangle are 4 meters and 6 meters. Find the length of the triangle's third side. Well, if we think about a triangle, just draw a triangle. It has 3 sides. Let's call the 3 sides A, B, and C. The perimeter is the distance around, and so then the perimeter would simply be A plus B plus C. So, making appropriate substitutions, and it really doesn't matter which side is unknown. I'm just going to say that A is the unknown side. So then our equation would be 13 is equal to A plus 4 plus 6. Simplifying the right-hand side, we have 13 is equal to A plus 10. And we identify the variable term. It's just A. And so we will subtract 10 from both sides. And we find that 3 is equal to A. Let's run a quick check. Is 13 equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6? And Simplifying the right-hand side, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 6 is 13, and 13 is equal to 13. That checks out. So we're confident of our solution to the equation, and then the conclusion is the third side of the triangle measures 3 meters.